Hey there! Are you struggling with your SLTCC online banking service? Let me help you out. If you have filled out your form and received your login information, that's great. Let's go. First, go to our website at www.sltccu.com. Click on the online banking icon in the top right corner. Enter the default information given to you after you signed up. First, enter your login ID. Then, your default password. Check the box and then click Login. Create a new password. Your new password must be more than 8 characters and less than 12. Your password must have a capital letter, special character, and a number. Then, click Save. You did it! Welcome to your new SLTCC online banking service account. In the drop-down menu on the left, you have options for Balance Inquiry, Transfer funds within your account, transfer funds to another member's account, statement request, etc. Congratulations! You have successfully activated your SLTCC online banking service. But why stop here? You are now free to explore our amazing mobile app available in the Play Store and the Apple Store. Just search for SLTCC, then download the app. If you already have an account, click Yes, enter your credentials, and begin exploring. Check your balance, transfer funds, and pay your loans on the go. No more waiting in lines to update your passport. SLTCC online banking service just makes everything easier.